Hi, my name is Jonathan Andreessen. I'm Director of Product Marketing at Blue Coat Systems, and today I'd like to talk to you about the value of application visibility for enterprise networks. So let's first talk about some of the visibility challenges. Enterprises typically experience performance issues with business applications, and typically the network is to blame. And that's because the business doesn't have visibility into what's running on the network or what applications are using the bandwidth. Enterprises are typically astonished to learn that upwards of 50% of available bandwidth is consumed by recreational traffic that's not business critical. This can be peer-to-peer, YouTube, or iTunes that's not essential for running the business. Typically, enterprises respond to performance issues for business applications by upgrading bandwidth. But in today's economic environment, that can be extremely expensive. Another option that enterprises use is to accelerate everything on the network. Well, that doesn't solve the recreational traffic issue, which can lead to more bandwidth scaling. The reality is, if you don't know what's running on the network or what's constraining application delivery, you can't fix it with acceleration alone. Accelerating everything on the network is further complicated by rogue applications, which can hide. These are particularly dangerous if you accelerate something that's already infected your network. The bottom line is, if you can't see what's running on your network, you can't prioritize and implement policy to manage and deliver an optimal user experience. So let's take a closer look at some of the WAN challenges. On average, there are over 200 applications residing on the enterprise WAN, all contending for available bandwidth. An example would be unproductive recreational traffic squeezing out other mission-critical applications like SAP, Oracle, or other ERP-type applications. This creates three major obstacles. The first is understanding where available bandwidth is going. The second is tracking the performance of key applications. And third, determining the causes of performance problems when they occur. So it's difficult to manage real-time performance issues when we can't see the users, the applications, when the errors are occurring, or which link is having a problem. So we don't know whether we should control the application or accelerate it. In a nutshell, without visibility, we can't make optimal decisions. To effectively leverage application visibility, it's important that we inspect all layers of the protocol stack. This includes the ability to auto-discover at least 600 applications and enable the ability to subclassify by mission-critical applications or allow the enterprise to tailor to local applications as well. So once we have full application visibility across the network, we can provide rich reporting tools that can help us manage the network. The first thing is we can manage which applications are running and knowing how much bandwidth is being consumed by application. Secondly, we can know what are the response times. Example, what is the delay? Is it server-side or network-side? And thirdly, we can look at things like spikes in utilization and know which users are causing that. So once we have a full view of who, what, when, and where on the network, we can effectively plan around limited bandwidth resources and plan more effectively. Rather than over-provisioning for the worst case, we can now plan around better performance and manage our operational costs a lot better. So with full application visibility, we're able to more effectively align our applications with our business priorities. As an example, we can control unproductive recreational traffic while protecting real-time traffic like voice and video, and increasing the priority of mission-critical applications like SAP and Oracle, or files and emails as examples. Blue Coat can help align your applications to your business priorities by being able to auto-discover over 600 types of applications, as well as providing deep quality of service around applications. You can prioritize different types of traffic. Thirdly, Blue Coat goes beyond Layer 7 visibility to enable you to control and monitor real-time traffic like voice and video. And finally, Blue Coat enables the ability to effectively troubleshoot and fix problems before they impact your business. I'm Jonathan Andreessen from Blue Coat. Thanks for listening today, and I encourage you to come talk to Blue Coat as we can help you solve your application delivery issues.